Hello there, in this video we are talking about what is cryptocurrency. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Cryptocurrency is a relatively new type of money that operates in a completely different way than the traditional currency we all use every day. The most basic difference is that it's exclusively a virtual currency, meaning there are no physical cryptocurrency coins or notes you can keep in your back pocket. It's also issued or created in a unique way. Instead of being produced by a central bank or government like US dollars, euros and other fiat currencies are, new cryptocurrency units typically enter circulation through a technological process that involves the participation of volunteers from all over the world using their computers. What puts the crypto in cryptocurrency? The word crypto in cryptocurrency refers to the special system of encrypting and decrypting information known as cryptography, which is used to secure all transactions sent between users. Cryptography plays a vitally important role in allowing users to freely transact tokens and coins between one another without the need for an intermediary like a bank to keep track of each person's balance and ensure the network remains secure. It also solves a problem that used to make middlemen like banks indispensable, the double spend issue. When a person attempts to spend the same balance twice with two different parties. Cryptocurrencies use cryptography to encrypt sensitive information, including the private key's long alphanumeric strings of characters of crypto holders. Think of private keys as the passwords that determine the ownership of cryptocurrencies. Keep in mind that cryptocurrencies cannot be stored outside of the blockchain. They are permanently based on the blockchain. Hence, when someone says they own X amount of coins, what they really mean is that their password can legitimately claim X amount of coins on the blockchain. How does cryptocurrency work? While the cryptocurrencies themselves act as a medium for exchanging or for storing value, they all rely on a special type of public ledger technology called blockchain to record data and to keep track of all of the transactions being sent across the network. A blockchain is exactly what it sounds like, a virtual chain of blocks, each containing a batch of transactions and other data. Once each block is added to the chain, it becomes immutable, meaning the data stored inside it cannot be changed or removed. Because cryptocurrencies are managed by a network of volunteer contributors known as nodes, and not by a single intermediary, a system must be in place that ensures everyone participates honestly when recording and adding new data to the blockchain ledger. The nodes perform a variety of roles on the network, from storing a full archive of all historical transactions to validating new transaction data. By having a distributed group of people all maintaining their own copy of the ledger, blockchain technology has the following advantages over traditional finance, where a master copy is maintained by a single institution. Think of it as having a cluster of computers take up the roles of a bank by consistently updating the balance sheets of users. In the case of distributed ledgers, however, the balance sheets aren't stored in a single server. Instead, there are multiple copies of the balance sheets distributed across several computers, with each node or computer connected to the network functioning as a separate server. Therefore, even if one of the computers go offline, it wouldn't be as detrimental as having a single server-based database go offline as can be the case in traditional banking systems. This infrastructural design makes it possible for cryptocurrencies to evade the security mishaps that often plague fiat. It is difficult to attack or manipulate this system because the attackers must gain control of over 50% of computers connected to the blockchain network. Depending on how big the network is, it can be prohibitively expensive to carry out a coordinated attack. If you compare the amount required to attack established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and what the attacker stands to gain at the end of the day, pursuing such an endeavor wouldn't be viable financially. Also, it is worth mentioning that the distributed nature of these digital assets establishes their censorship-resistant attributes. Unlike the case with banks, which governments regulate, cryptocurrencies have their databases spread across the globe. Therefore, when a government shuts down one of these computers, or all the computers within its jurisdiction, the network will continue to function because there are potentially thousands of other nodes in other countries beyond the reach of one government. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.